Welcome to my 5-minute fix videos, and also welcome to 2022. Happy New Year. Why 5 minutes? Well, because we all tend to learn and retain information much better when we receive that information a little bit at a time. Longer videos that cover a lot more information require a bit more staying power, and I don't always have that myself. So I thought I would go for brevity and try to cover more subjects. But that alone throws up a few challenges. It's not that easy to keep information focused into little more than 5 minutes. None of the videos I've made so far has reached 6 minutes yet. So far, so good. If you have any subjects you want me to cover, please ask in the comments. No promises, of course, but if it's suitable for a 5-minute video and it's within my skill set, I'll give it a go. And if you find these videos useful in any way, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you hit that notification bell as well, then YouTube will tell you every time I post a new video.